What's up, friends? Today I'm going to show you guys how I go from this to something more uplifting, vibrant, and better to look at, something more appealing. I'm gonna take you guys throughout the whole process with me. We're going to go ahead and go get a haircut. You don't just fall. We're going to go to the hair store. I'm going to show you everything that you're going to need for this project. Then I'm going to bring you guys back home. We're going to get started, and hopefully, well, not even hopefully, in the end, we're going to have a good result. This, it gotta go. I'm deciding between going from blonde to burgundy, so I haven't really decided yet. I have been blonde for like fucking 2 years now, so maybe it is time to switch it. I think burgundy would be a real cute color, but blonde is just like me, like I don't know, it's just my color. Like, anyway, let's get started. Let's get this on the like. I'm telling you, I don't know why you just fall again.
It's gonna be a robbery, so tuck your chain. I'm a killer, girl, I'm sorry, but I can't change.
Camera, đồ đầu đồ sau rồi.
We're not even done. This is the step in the process, because right now I'm looking like salt and pepper that's shut in. Okay, so for me, friends, they're not that bad. I can find this cheap. It is that bad, but I'm gonna get a big thing because I need this 40 developer. Rip off price because you can get it cheaper somewhere else, but 40 developer. I need a toner. My favorite toner when I'm trying to go light is also going to need powder. I already got some at home, but it's the one that I use. I'm gonna go one of these colors next time, friend. Alright, friends, so for this project you're going to need the following: a 40 developer by any brand. To be honest, they all do the same thing, as well as some bleach powder, purple shampoo, or you can use any type of stabilizing shampoo, your Wella toner. I grabbed the T18 because I'm trying to go for more of an ash look, but you can use any type, your brush and your bowl, as well as some unrefined coconut oil. Quick disclaimer, you should be wearing gloves throughout this whole process. Unfortunately, I forgot to grab some, but that wasn't about to stop me. When you mix together the bleach and the developer, you want to go ahead and add the powder, and you want to add the developer in slowly. You don't want to add too much powder or too much developer because it can be too cakey or too loose. You want to try to go for more of a pancake batter consistency. For me, I like more of a loose pancake batter consistency because it's easier to work with and I can spread it a lot better than it being that thick, cakey, messy batter. So go grab that unrefined coconut oil and apply it all over your head. This is for protection of the scalp. We don't want any of them little scabby popping up afterwards, especially when you're going blonde. Them little black scabs, it's not going to be cute, sis. Now we're going to grab that bleach that we mixed together earlier, and we're just going to apply it all over. When you begin to apply it, please do a thin layer, especially if you're doing short hair like this, because when you do a thick layer, and you apply a lot of product in one area, it starts to over process. So that's how you get patches, and then you can also miss spots because you think you put the same amount of bleach in the front that you did in the back, and then you have brown in the back and blonde in the front. Bleach does stretch and it does expand, so you can already see from that thin layer that I was doing in the beginning to me getting to the back of my head how much the bleach is starting to spread, and I didn't go back and put more on top yet. I am going to go back after this and look in the bathroom mirror and make sure that I get all the spots and make sure that everything is even, but for the most part I did know after I applied this and I grabbed the mirror and made sure I had everything in the back, everything was good and the bleach started spreading evenly. When you're applying the bleach, go ahead and pass your forehead, pass the back of your neck, pass the sides. Because when people don't do this and they try to go as close as possible, it leaves a black rim, and that's not cute. We don't want that.
The rise of tech and stress in the modern world is
Right, it's a hair tutorial. How you gonna have a hair tutorial? You can't even see the
Kia
hair.
is here to help.
Regards to what I was saying earlier, you can see now that the bleach is more of a foamy texture, and that's because it expanded out throughout the process. Next, you want to go ahead and grab a towel, and you just want to wipe the excess bleach off because we are going to go in a second time with the same developer, same bleach, and leave it on for a lot less. I forgot to mention I left this bleach on for about 45 minutes. Now, when you do this step, you want to do everything the same way up until 10 minutes into the process, and we're going to wash it out.
Bitch, this shit is a burning.
Honestly, I'm just crazy, and when I want something done, I want it done. I would not recommend going to get a haircut and then bleaching your head because it is going to burn, especially if we're going to be doing 2 applications in the same day, because a lot of people wouldn't even recommend that. But once again, I'm crazy, and when I want something, I want it. This isn't killing my hair. If you have long like bundles down your back, I don't process your hair twice in the same day. Do the whole 2 weeks thing. But for me, I'm cutting this off in 2 weeks anyway. My hair hasn't been thinning out yet. I've been doing this for 2 years, so you know I'm cool with what's going on. And if it start falling out, look, they got man weaves and stuff. We gonna be good. Grab your purple or stabilizing shampoo and go ahead and wash out every speck of white bleach. We don't need no scabianas. We don't need no skin irritation. We don't need no scalps falling off. So just take care of that. Typically, I do this part in the shower to make sure that I get everything, but I did want to, show you guys the process. Next, we're going to go ahead and grab our Wella T18 toner. This is what it looks like in the box. And I know y'all thinking all this shit that you putting on your head, and I say your head is about to fall off. And I promise y'all, I wouldn't be trying to tell people to do something I don't do. This is what it looks like outside of the box. And we're going to get the brush in the bowl. Forgot to mention this earlier, but you're also going to need 20 developer or 10 developer. You don't want to use nothing higher than 10 or 20, period. We're going to mix 2 parts developer to 1 part toner. So you're just going to pour out everything that was in the little bottle already into your bowl, and then you're going to pour in your developer twice and just mix everything together as usual. When you apply this, you're going to apply it the exact same way that we did the bleach the first 2 times. You're going to do a thin layer. Also, because this is a lot looser than the bleach is, and you're going to see it's going to be going all over the place. I should have had a towel or a cape on, but once again, I'm crazy. Just make sure that you get all over your head. Make sure that it's an even layer, and make sure that you're not putting too much in one area, because since it is developer in there, it's going to keep the hair processing. And toner is going to take out them yellow and brassy and orange colors, but that developer is what activated it, and it's also going to lighten your hair up a little bit too. So you just keep that in mind. As you go along with the process, your hair is going to start to turn purple. It's not coloring your hair purple. It's canceling out those yellow, orange, brassy tones. And as soon as you wash it out, I promise it's going to be a light, white or a nice gold color without that yellow school bus effect. Some last minute advice: just make sure that you're doing the correct research and you're following the correct procedures for the products that you're using. I'm here to make sure that you guys do not make the same mistakes that I've made in the past off of just not using the right products or not doing something correctly in one step. We don't need to be spending $300, $400 to maintain our appearances. A lot of things that you're spending top dollar on, you honestly could be doing at home and saving so much money. Like, stuff like this is so simple and it's so easy, but people get discouraged because they feel as though it's something that you need to be trained and experienced in. Follow the right steps and I promise you're not going to regret it. And after a long day, here are the final results. I just went upstairs, washed out that toner with some regular shampoo, towel dropped my hair, and came back down to show you guys what everything turned out as. I love it, especially for the fact that I was going black to something light. I love it. I hope you guys love it. I hope you guys love the video. I hope you guys have fun with me today. And as always, stay tuned. So like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see. And keep an eye out because I always have something in store.